As we start to create multiple script gizmos, organization will be key to building more complex worlds. Take a minute to build a script corner. Then, let's make a duplicate of the PlayOnGrab script. We will name it WaterBalloon, which will splash when it hits a player. Bring over the When Colliding with Player event and drag the Play Sound code block to the new event. We can then delete the old events. In addition to a splash sound, we should add a visual effect. You can find Play Visual Effect on the Actions tab. And we also need to create another object variable called Visual Effect. Drag the Visual Effect pill over and our script is done. Let's group our water balloon, sound effect, and visual effect together. Make sure to leave the property panels open on the effects. Now we can attach the water balloon script and reference the effects. Because we want the objects to collide with the players, we need to go to the More tab and change the collision events from nothing to players. Now, when we throw the water balloon at our friends, it splashes and plays a sound effect. In the last part of this series, we are going to take these water balloons to the next level.